In the quiet hum of a sun-drenched meadow, a silent war is being waged. It's not a battle of titans, but a clash of tiny empires, a struggle for survival between a native pollinator and an invasive conqueror. This is the story of the bumblebee and the Argentine ant, and their conflict reveals a hidden cost that ripples through the entire ecosystem. Our story begins with a familiar sight, a bumblebee, fuzzy and industrious, flitting from flower to flower. They are the workhorses of pollination, essential for countless plants, including many of the fruits and vegetables we eat. But look closer, down at the base of these flowers, and you'll see the enemy army assembling. Argentine ants. They are a global supercolony, a relentless force that has marched across continents, displacing native species wherever they go. Their prize? Nectar, the same sugary fuel the bees depend on. When a bee lands on a flower patrolled by these ants, a confrontation is inevitable. The ants, though small, are ferocious. They swarm the much larger bee, biting at its legs, its wings, its sensitive antennae. Often, the bee is forced to retreat, abandoning the flower and its precious reward. It's a stressful, energy-draining encounter. But the real story isn't just about these individual skirmishes. It's about what happens next. Scientists have discovered something fascinating and deeply concerning. Bees that have been harassed by ants carry the scent of fear, a chemical signature of their stressful encounter. When they return to their nests, this scent clings to them, and it has a profound effect on the entire colony. Imagine a bee returning, not with pollen, but with a warning signal. Researchers found that this stress signal actually harms the developing bee larvae. The baby bees in the nest grow more slowly and are less likely to survive to adulthood. It's a form of secondhand stress, a hidden cost of conflict that weakens the colony from within. A few encounters on a flower can translate into a weaker, smaller, and less resilient bee population down the line. This isn't just bad news for the bees. It's bad news for all of us. Fewer bees mean less pollination. Less pollination means fewer flowers, fewer seeds, and a less stable food web. The plants that rely on these bees suffer, as do the other animals that depend on those plants. The silent war at the base of a flower sends shockwaves of instability throughout the entire ecosystem. The Argentine ant's invasion is a stark reminder of how interconnected nature is. A single invasive species can disrupt ancient relationships, creating invisible pressures that undermine the health of an entire environment. The struggle of the bumblebee is a canary in the coal mine, a warning that the small battles happening all around us can have massive, unforeseen consequences. Understanding these hidden costs is the first step toward protecting our vital pollinators and preserving the delicate balance of the natural world. Thank you for watching. If you found this story as fascinating as we did, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden world of nature.